Hey everyone, welcome to another sitting room knit along. It's raining again, so it's not going to be a garden knit along video again. This is back in the sewing sitting area, and but that's okay. It's comfortable and it's dry, and I can show you how far I've gotten on my Saturna Toque. So I've gotten my ribbing done. I've gotten my first 8 rounds of texture done. You can see that nice sort of undulating, ripply texture, rib texture, and it has a neat texture to it and neat effect. So we did our 2 rounds of knit, our 2 rounds of knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, 2 more rounds of knit, and 2 rounds of purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and that gives us that sort of offset waffly texture. So now your instructions for the next section are to repeat rounds 1 through 8 2 more times. So that will be a total of 3. Technically, we're doing rounds 1 to 8 3 times in total. So now we're going to do 2 more times. So that'll be, now we're doing 16 more rounds. So that will take us, that's going to give us lots of depth. And at the end of that, doing those 2 more times, we're going to work rounds 1 and 2 1 more time. So that will be just rounds 1 and 2 are just, what are they? Yeah, they're just knit. So rounds 1 through 8, 2 more times, and rounds 1 and 2 1 more time. So right now that means we have to do a total of 18 more rounds before we start our crown decreasing at the top. Okay, so I'm just going to knit a little bit here just to keep you company. So this is one round, I should say a round 1, which is easy, just knit. I hope you guys are having fun with this one. It's a nice, simple little project. I had a customer, Margaret, you're probably watching. Margaret sent me a lovely photo with the one that she's working on at the moment, the toque, and then she's also gotten, I think it was 2 others finished. And she says, I think that she's making them for everybody in her fam for Christmas gifts. So she's socking them away for later in the year and having fun with them, and then having fun picking colors for everybody too, because of course there's lots of choice, and definitely something for everybody. And let me know too in the comments what you'd like me to see, what you'd like to see me do for our next either knit along or set of tutorial videos. I like input if you have any ideas. One customer friend, Bonnie, had a good suggestion of she'd love to see a video for different bind off techniques, sort of all in one place, just to sort of give you all some ideas, whether it's stretchy bind offs or picot bind offs or anything like that. Okay, where's my marker? I'm getting there. You probably don't want to watch any more of me just plain knitting. But anyways, you can see here in a minute, the texture's going to continue to grow. So like I say, do the other 2 more repeats of rounds 1 through 8, and then rounds 1 and 2 1 more time. So after you're done all of that, you should have about 6.5 inches, and that's measuring right from the cast on, about 6.5 inches of depth, and you will have ended after having just finished a round 2. And at that point, we will reconvene and we will talk crown decreasing. So let's see. So today is Tuesday. So let's reconvene on Saturday. Okay, that gives you lots of time to do your next two uh, repeats and the rounds 1 and 2, and to get you where you need to be to your 6.5 inches for your crown decreasing. So we will see you on Saturday, and happy knitting.